Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. We're going to go over to Trinidad and tell you about the Caribbean Premier League, where a dominant bowling performance from Afghanistan Mohamed Nabi led the St. Lucia Zouks in their 6-wicket win over the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots in today's opening game. Man of the match Nabi took an impressive 5 for 15 to restrict the Patriots to 110 for 9 in their 20 overs. Now, in reply, the Zouks cruised to 111 for 4 inside 15 overs, with Najibullah Zadran top scoring with 33. Roston Chase ended unbeaten on 27, while Rakeem Cornwall scored 26. The win sees the St. Lucia franchise moving to 8 points in second after 6 games, while the Patriots remain at the foot of the table with 2 points. And of course, action continued this evening. In the game just ended, the Trinbago Knight Riders defeating the Guyana Amazon Warriors by 7 wickets. And we'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday. The CPL, however, continues on Saturday. Now, football's world governing body FIFA has given the former leadership of the Trinidad and Tobago Football Association until September 16 to withdraw its claim in the Trinidad and Tobago High Court against the global body. On August 13, Trinidadian High Court Judge Carol Gobin dismissed FIFA's application to move its case with ousted TTFA President William Wallace and his vice presidents to the Court of Arbitration for Sport, and also refused to stay proceedings between the two parties. A letter from FIFA Secretary General Fatma Samora, addressed the chairperson of the Normalization Committee, Robert Haddad, stated that failure to carry out its directive may lead to sanctions as provided in the FIFA statutes, including a possible suspension. The letter from FIFA added that the only recognized path to resolving such a dispute is the Court of Arbitration for Sport. On March 28, FIFA named a normalization committee chaired by Haddad to oversee the affairs of the TTFA. Wallace and his other executive members subsequently mounted a challenge against the installation of the normalization committee.